and from Taiwan. So I'm gonna take half of the ice cream corny here of sugar, and we're gonna go to the gas stove to melt it and create caramel. I'm gonna put 2 pinch of baking soda directly inside, and you're gonna see that instantly our caramel will become really foamy like that. That is beautiful. You have your dalgona mixture. I'm gonna put it inside an ice cream cone, and we're gonna let it rise in the cone. Beautiful. Perfect. And you're gonna let it cool a little bit on this side. Beautiful. I'm gonna let everything set on the side and keep going. So I'm gonna pour 1 jar of vanilla ice cream, and same here on the flour. And that's it. And then we're just gonna mix it to have this cake dough. Now that you have a beautiful cake mix with just flour and ice cream, I'm gonna pour it into my piping bag. Make sure to have a self-rising flour, my cake mix here. And I'm gonna go straight to my cake mold. All right, let's start our beautiful cake. I have chocolate and vanilla ice cream mixed here. I'm gonna cut both, and we're gonna start with the vanilla one. I'm gonna pour everything, then our chocolate. Ooh, that's fluffy. Then we're gonna make sure that we mix the vanilla and the chocolate together. And once you have done that, once in the middle, I have my Hershey's here. I'm gonna put some chocolate inside my cake to have those gooey center that we love. And now let's bake our beautiful chocolate and vanilla ice cream bread. Guys, our beautiful cake just came out of the oven. Of course, I let it cool a little bit. And with chocolate, I have milk chocolate here. I'm just gonna pour it like this, uneven. The idea is to create melted ice cream. Perfect. Once you have the milk chocolate, I'm gonna go to the white one next to it. Perfect. Once you have your cake here, we're gonna leave it on the side. I'm gonna take one, and I'm gonna pour it directly into my ice cream bread. And beautiful, guys, we made today a reverse cake. The ice cream is inside, the biscuit is in the cone. It's crazy. I really like this cake. It's simple and yet super crazy to do.